This is day 2 of my workshop with Hugo, where we discuss our business partnership and how we move forward in the coming year. And as you can see, I'm by this ocean. Here are some nice cliffs. I'm visiting Hugo. He's living actually here in this beautiful place. So you can see this every day. I just traveled here from Munich and it's a nice experience. And so far, yesterday, we aligned on our vision for this year, on what we want to achieve. We fleshed that out, especially my vision, because it was still, I had to work on it still. But now there's a clear picture. Today we're talking about what are the exact goals for each quarter. And now it's all about drilling deeper into these goals. Which tasks are there? Which elements what to automate? What to do marketing wise? What outreach to do? This is something we will continue discussing today. And I'm excited what we come up with. Seems good so far. And then the goal for this workshop is have a concrete plan that we just, when I get home, and we can just execute on the plan, and that's it. No distractions, just go full on, make this one of the best years ever. Alright.